Welcome to day 3. There was a little planes change on day 3 because we were supposed to be in Jamaica today, but we had a little switcheroo. So
God is dope. I'm telling you, we get compliments on this hoodie all the time when we're on vacay. We wear it every time we're on vacay. I always wear my hat mostly, but this time I wore my hoodie. But God is dope. Y'all need to sponsor us or something, man. Send us some free merch. Send Good Day Travel some free merch. We rep all the time.
first drink of the day is a dragon fruit smoothie. Make sure you check out the smoothie bar, the fresh juice bar. I got my almond croissant, and then we had brunch at Razzle Dazzle. We did the splashy badge, so we had unlimited mimosas in this brunch, which was really good. They have all kinds of mimosas. They have the peach, passion fruit, watermelon, anything. I got some granola, and then I had the samplers breakfast. My boo had the chicken sandwich, which was delicious. And Razzle Dazzle was really good. As you can see, look at the sea behind me. On the ship, they did have people leaving ducks, and this is my boo checking to see if there was any ducks available. And we stayed in room 11030A, which is a sea terrace. And as soon as the suite opened, the curtains open. So have your cameras ready because it's an automatic view. Look at that view of the ocean. And the hammock. For dinner, we had the wake, which again, we did the splash for your bash. So it was so good. You get like 6 different wines to pair with the appetizer, the dessert, the entree. And so we decided to eat a tomahawk. When I tell you, you leave this place lit, if you do the splash for your bash, you're going to leave lit. So don't do it on the Scarlet Night. Pro tip. This is the wake. We literally sat by this view. It's just gorgeous. Such a gorgeous view. What's included? Again, you get the complimentary wine and champagne. You get the Polaroid bread. My boo had a wedge salad. And then we shared a tomahawk. They do cut it for you. So it was so good, so tender. We got it in medium, which is perfect. The perfect temperature. It was so good, so tender. And it comes with chimichurri, so that's always a plus. For dessert, my boo had this coconut situation, and I had a chocolate cake. And this is the dessert wine that pairs with it. And this is the Polaroids that they take. It's so much fun. For the Polaroids, you do get you do have the option to take 10 photos, and so we were just taking pictures of each other. If you're looking at the salon version, hit me up, marsha@travelgoodday.com. Talk to you soon.